Hello, this is Benjamin Johnston of Benjamin Johnston Design. I'm excited to welcome you into this beautiful family room here in this French Provençal-inspired home. This family room is part of that open concept floor plan. You'll notice that it has this large cased opening in the space that really visually separates it from the stair hall and the formal living room and the adjacent spaces. The beautiful painting above the fireplace was really a source of inspiration for a lot of the colors, textures that we've used throughout the space. The use of the rich yellow, the bronze tones mixed with the purples and the blues. We've used each one of those colors in the furnishings of the space. In the heart of this room is this gorgeous custom fireplace that we designed out of this perla venata stone that we sourced through pomegranate stone. I love the way that it emerges from the plaster walls and gives you so much rich texture and dimension. On either side of the fireplace, we have done these wonderful niches, and inside them they have some floating shelves done in the same rich tone as the wood floor, and they've also have a wonderful wall covering that has all sorts of natural textures mixed with some wonderful metallic threads. On the ceiling, we've incorporated these very shallow beams done in a plaster finish. And what I love that it does is it gives a little texture and depth to the ceiling, but it also doesn't overpower the space. Welcome to this gorgeous French Provençal-inspired kitchen that's here in the heart of this home. I love its open flow into the family room, and I love that they have this eat-in kitchen, this little breakfast area adjacent to the island. This large-scale island is topped with this wonderful perla venata stone that I mentioned before. I just love the way that it undulates in terms of color and texture and really speaks to the plaster that you see in all the finishes around me. You'll notice that we've explored the use of mixed metals. So there's a lot of mixed metals, everything from blackened steel, also this wonderful antique nickel, stainless steel, and polished nickel as well. We're not afraid to mix, and that gives the space a lot of texture and dimension. Here in the kitchen, one of my favorite things is these open shelves. I love the way that they allow us as designers to incorporate not only the functional elements that you need to enjoy your kitchen every day, but it also gives us the opportunity for some personal items that give the home a lot of texture and warmth. Above the floating shelves, we've used these wonderful light fixtures from Visual Comfort, and they're done in an antique nickel. In the evening hours, when these lights come on, they illuminate the open shelves and all the decorative accessories and functional items that a homeowner needs to enjoy their kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed this beautiful home that my team of architects and interior designers have collaborated with Iraj Taghi Custom Homes here in Houston. I hope that you get to be inspired by some of the classic, curated, and cool details we've designed into this very special home.